Almost all the injuries we see at St. Vincent Healthcare related to ATV crashes could be prevented with proper equipment, helmets, clothing, boots, and also proper riding techniques.
First and foremost, it's always important to wear a helmet. Along with that, when you're wearing a helmet, you need to have a face shield or some sort of eye protection, because when you're on the road, the most common accident is a head injury, head trauma.
The most severe injuries we see are bad head injuries, spinal cord injuries with possible paralysis, crush injuries of the pelvis and the chest, and a lot of fractures. So these are quite significant injuries when they do occur.
Fall is the busiest season, usually for ATVs, with hunting, and the weather starts cooling down, lots of outdoor recreation going on. Obviously,
people use the vehicles in this region for hunting, primarily in the fall. There are certainly precautions that should be taken. Certainly firearms should not be loaded, and ideally they should be pointed away from the driver, ideally toward the ground while the vehicle's being operated. And also, hunters need to make sure that they have full control of the vehicle and they're not carrying things, that items that they're taking with them need to be packed appropriately on the vehicle. 25% of the injuries that we see related to ATV crashes are in children less than the age of 16. And I think parents play a major role in making sure their kids are safe while they're riding these vehicles. First of all, the vehicle has to be an appropriate size for a child.
You need to be 16 years old to ride anything over 125cc four-wheeler, and that's because of the sheer weight of the machine. So you need to make sure that you're on something that's not going to be a little over your head as far as weight goes, or speed and power. Any child 12 years or younger should never get on an ATV. Children 16 years and younger need to be supervised at all times. ATVs are not toys. They're meant to be just getting out and around.
ATV use is recreational, and it is a lot of fun. And it's good family fun, and it's very useful on ranches, and it's very useful for hunters. These are safe vehicles when used appropriately. Our point is not to discourage the use of ATVs, but it's to encourage people to use them safely so that they can enjoy them and not incur the injuries that we see.